Guru not busy born is busy dying. There are only a handful of authentic investment gurus. The rest are all there for their 15 minutes of fame. So the investment world also has got its fair share of Swami Nityanandas. Though they might not have so much of, bedroom gymnastics, but they are usually there just for the 15 minutes of fame. So listen to just the chosen few. The rest are not made of marble but of plaster. So you will find the really great investment gurus have remained great even after terrible changes in the economic cycles. Okay, so Warren Buffett has seen 2000, has seen the financial world meltdown in 2008. So similar the case with, say, Bill Gross, similar is the case with Sir John Templeton and all that. And one final piece of masterly advice. This was Warren Buffett's advice for the year 2009. So it was I had great difficulty. I managed to get this from Financial Times, and I've scanned it, and I've tried and blown up what his advice was. Remember, the January 2009 was a period of great difficulty. The world was heading towards uncertainty. Okay, even India was looking at a terrible uncertain future. US anyway was in a very, very uncertain future, because you had a new president that was supposed to be sworn in Jan. So there was tremendous uncertainty. Banks were collapsing. So this is what is thing. We begin this new year with dampened enthusiasm and dented optimism. Everyone is desperate to find a remedy that will cure their financial inverse and help them recover their financial health. They expect the financial experts to provide them with remedies, forgetting the fact that it is these experts who created the financial mess. Okay? Every new year, I adopt a couple of old maxims as my beacons to guide my future. This therapy has ensured that with each passing year, I grow wiser and not older. First, hard work. All hard work brings a profit, but mere talks leads only to poverty. Laziness, a sleeping lobster, is carried away by the water current. Earnings never depend on a single source of income. At least make your investments get you a second earning. Very important. Spending, if you buy things you don't need, you will soon sell things that you need. Okay, that's about spending. Savings, don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Borrowing, the borrower becomes a lender's slave. That's why the maximum number of advertisements, direct mails is all for, Mr. Harish Rao, congratulations, you have got your pre-qualified for a great loan from HSBC Bank at 14.8 interest. That's it. They want me to become a slave. Accounting, it's no use carrying an umbrella if your shoes are leaking. Okay. Auditing, beware of little expenses. A small leak can sink a large ship. Risk taking, never test the depth of the water with both feet. Investments, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, and enjoy investing.